I'm often asked if ice or heat is better and what to do when they hurt themselves. Quite honestly, for an acute injury that's traumatic, generally ice is the best thing to use because it reduces swelling. So whether you hurt your back or sprain your ankle, the first thing we do is ice because that helps. Most people's pain, however, isn't acute. It's not like you hurt it today or yesterday and it's swollen. It's more chronic, and there, quite honestly, it's a person's particular happy place to be with this. If I told several of my family members to put ice on something, they wouldn't talk to me again. They only do heat. Other people like ice, and they hate this feeling of a heating pad. So you have to figure out what suits you. Rest, massage, gentle stretching is always good. Not redoing the activity that provoked the pain to begin with. So if you hurt yourself bending and lifting, avoiding bending and lifting for a while until things calm down is probably smart. For many people, our injuries occur in a work situation, and it's required that we go back the next day and do it all over again, and that's difficult. What you want to try to do is be thoughtful about how we're doing our activities. Try to lift with your legs and not your back, maintaining a neutral spine. Stretching in the morning before we go to work, stretching in the evening when we get back home. Those types of things make the biggest difference. In terms of medications, over-the-counter medications are actually very powerful. You'd want to pay attention to the pain, but also not just laying in bed is not the best thing. Moving is part of health, and so if you find something hurts, whether you cramp a calf and hurt that or your back is cramping up, you need to gently stretch it and try to get some movement back as soon as you can. If you just don't move, it just makes you stiffer and you have that much more of a difficult